Hi there, and welcome to Skartio. Today, we're going to learn how to add base categories and subcategories to your e-commerce website. To get started, open the Catalogue main menu, then go to the Product submenu. In the sidebar, click on the Category tab. This opens the Category section. We'll walk through how to create a new base category and then add a few subcategories beneath it. Let's start with the base category. Think about what your main category should be and which subcategories will fall under it. For this example, we'll use footwear as the base category. Under footwear, we'll add 4 subcategories: men's shoes, women's shoes, sneakers, and sandals. Click the Add Category button to open the base category form. Type in the name footwear. Next, enter a unique alias. Then, select the root category. In this case, clothing and accessories, since footwear belongs under that group. Since we know there are 4 subcategories, enter 4 as the sub-level count. Use the letter F as the base code for footwear. Finally, add a short description to summarize the category. Once everything is filled out, click Add. You've now created the base category. Next, let's move on to the subcategories. Click the Subcategory tab, then click Add Subcategory. This opens a similar form for creating subcategories. Let's start with men's shoes. Enter the name men's shoes, add an alias, select footwear as the base category, enter M as the base code, and add a short description. Click Add to save it. Now repeat those steps to add the remaining subcategories: women's shoes, sneakers, and sandals. And that's it. You've successfully created a base category, added subcategories, and learned how to manage your categories in Skartio with ease. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.